Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to finally show you guys my updated plucking style. This is just on a closure. This is a 5x5 closure sent to me by Alipearl hair. It's in body weight, it's 24 inches, but if you're looking for all the information on that, that'll be in the description box. As for this video, I'm going to show you guys how I pluck this closure to perfection. Got this zigzaggy part, and this bitch glueless, for real, the real way. No gel, no spray. I can rip this bad boy off and go to bed right now. Right now. No problem. Okay, that was a problem. So if you want to know how to get this go-to, super easy, super fast, super cute, bust down zigzag part installed, just stay tuned and keep watching. I'll make it easy for you. I ain't gonna talk your ear off too much. I don't want to be here too long. Seem real quick and easy like it was for me in real life. So let's make this video quick and easy as well. I hope you guys enjoy it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
To kick it off, we got this wig freshly washed, pinned down to this wig head with this white tube top on it just so that I could see the knots better. This hot comb set to 450, ready to burn off anything in my way. I'm about to hot comb this to the back and just, you know, make sure all the hairs is back where they need to be. I did already bleach this unit, and I will be recording a bleaching and plucking tutorial for a frontal here soon. So please look out for that, because I promise y'all, I've been saying it for a long time. Here's part of it. Here's part 1. Part 2 coming soon. Now look. Please don't judge me about this, y'all. I looked high and low for my rat tail comb, and it was nowhere to be found. So at a point, I'm like, I gotta do this now. I'm not looking no more. So I'm gonna use this little, But I got this angled tweezerman tweezers. I love these. I've had them for years. They're in like all my videos that I've ever posted on here. Like, I've had them that long. I'm just going through and just getting out this line of demarcation. I'm not doing too much, you know, just enough to get rid of that line. I do that first, but don't pluck from the front. That's my only test. If you don't learn nothing else, tip. If you don't learn no other tip from this video, I'm plucking a little bit behind the front of the hairline. So, you know, you don't want to get no bald spot. That's what that creates. When you pluck from the front, it gets you a little bald spot. Pluck from the back, pluck sporadically. Don't pluck in the same spot too many times. I like for my points of my head to be, I don't know if that makes sense, but this corner, you know, where, you know, your corner, you put a side part at, that corner of your head, I think that part of your hair is just a little bit more thin. So that's the look I like to go for on this side. And I like to, you know, just grab a little piece from in front, a little bit before the line of demarcation that you're going to see me get rid of now. But that was beautiful. That was seamless even. Yeah, I'm just trying to get rid of any lines. I don't like any harsh lines, and I like it to flow, and I like it to I don't know. You gonna see how I like it. I don't know how to describe it any more than this. I pull it back to the back, see how it's looking. It's looking like I need to pluck some more. I pluck some more. I'm using this little edge brush as a comb at this point, because where is the comb at? Like, I'm searching for you, high and low comb. Please come home. The kids miss you. So I'm using this edge brush instead. I'm tweezing. I'm tweezing it from the back. And as you can see, there's no line of demarcation like there is on the other side. And also, like how I said, I like the corners of my wigs to just be a little more plucked than the center. So the center is just barely plucked even, because I think that's how hair looks, you know. That over plucked in the middle part is just not how hair looks. If you look at your real hairline, I mean, at least mine. I like to look at my hairline. I like for my wigs to replicate my personal hairline, and that's just what my hairline looked like. Maybe you should take a picture of your hairline, push back. But here's where the middle part starts, and as you can see from about, you know, it's just a nice little gradient. I don't know. It just looks good. I don't know how to describe it more than that. I'm gonna do it on the other side real quick. I did it already. I did the other side off camera. I'm gonna pluck it some more because, you know, it wasn't all the way plucked, but I am gonna get this middle part rocking. Because if I'm going to do anything else, I need to make sure the middle part is looking nice, crispy, clean. I'm not over plucking it too much in the center. And I think that plucking in the first pluck I ever did to this wig was the only plucking I did to the center of the wig, because this wig was already kind of pre-plucked in a way. So that makes it a little bit easier for this. But now I'm just comparing the sides. If it don't look the same, I can see that one side needs to be thinned out a little more. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And this is so ghetto that I'm using this brush that got a little bit of bleach left on it. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know where the comb was. Comb, please come home, please. it's all said and done, you should get something like this. I really think this is a really natural look. It adds like the perfect amount of room for baby hairs, and it's not too much of a pluck where it's like over plucked. I just think this looks really nice. I'm really dealing with it. I don't know, I like it. And here's me being so full of hair. I mean, it's so much hair on my head. I had to, you know, get my hair out of my way so I could moisturize my lips really quick. But finally found a comb eventually. It was hiding from me. It came back home. It didn't want to pay child support or something. I don't know. Put my hair in this ponytail real quick so I could flex on y'all that I'm not bald headed no more. I just got it so pressed in the trim because my hair needed to trim so bad. I'm using these wigs and forget all about my hair. So I'm going on another hair journey, and I hope to keep you guys updated with that soon. But let me just comb this out and get this out of my way. I'm going to put it in the middle part so it can be as flat as possible. I did wrap my hair under a wig the last time I wore a wig with my hair straight. I really didn't get it so pressed to wear it out, as I'm not really fond of my hair right now. But I did get it to, you know, help with the health of my hair. So I tried to wrap it in like a regular wrap for the last time, but it was just a little bit too bulky. So this way was a little bit more natural and flat for me, and I liked it this way. So that's what I had to learn from experience. Trial and error. And here's the wig again. Bam. Flowing. Back at it. This is a body wave texture, and I did straighten it off camera. I'm using this even tinted lace spray. This hair is apparently 24 inches. It's giving 26. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like this is what they be talking about when they be like influencers get a different wig, because why is this wig 26 inches? Y'all said it was 24. I'm gonna take the extra 2 inches, but like, don't lie. Anyway, here's this. I'm starting this zigzag part. It's gonna take me a lot of tries. Y'all are gonna see me touch this up a lot of times. I don't know what to say. I'm just creating lines. It's off vibes. I don't got no other rhythm or reason to this. I'm just like, zigzag, what does that look like in my head? Let me just map that out real quick. This part is going to be extra long, but it's not really about like how the parts really look in the moment. It's more so about like the vision. So just bear with me. You know, the vision will come through. Just, you got to be patient and readjust a lot of times. I thought this was a little bit too big, but I thought this was the best view of me doing it, because I'm going to do it like 3 more times actually. I'm going to do this zigzag 3 more times. Can you believe that I'm going to do this parting space 3 more times? I couldn't believe it either. There I was, parting 3 whole times. There I was, barbecue sauce on my titties. Y'all remember Orange is the New Black? That was crazy that we used to watch that. And then they killed Poussey. Wasn't that insane? Anyway, here's me doing it again. I'm going to do this about another 3 times. I ain't gonna lie. I need to be perfect. Y'all know I'm a Virgo. Do I be acting Virgo-ly in front of y'all? Like, I don't know. But I'm gonna keep doing it. I liked it a little bit smaller, so that's what I did. And here's what I was finally pleased with. And I'm liking it. I like the way it's looking. I like it a little bit smaller. It looks a little bit nicer on the parting space. So that's what I ended up liking. So I sprayed a little bit more of that what? Sebastian Shaper Plus. That's what I did. And I seen this on the Kardashians, y'all. They was doing their hair, and they always like got a blow dryer on their head and moving it with their hands. So I was like, I'm gonna do that next time I put on a wig. And I did it, and it was flat. Yeah. Shout out the Kardashians. Who would have thought you would learn something from watching the Kardashians? I put this little clip in my hair to get this hair on my face so I could cut off this lace, because I'm rapping and I'm in first place, and I didn't know I was gonna keep rhyming like this, but I don't know what else rhymes with place. Anyway, I'm cutting off this lace. Yeah, don't play with me, please. I'm using this zigzag motion, and you can't really see it right now because this lace is so HD, and I bleached it not so good, so it's looking like my hair. I understand the confusion, but I am about to show you the lace like this, and this is the motion that I cut it in. Nice and zigzaggy, nice and, you know, jagged, so it's not as visible to the naked eye. I do my little C shape, pull out the edges. You know how I go, how I come it down. You're not new to this, you've been here, you stuck around, you know the routine. I'm pulling it out. How am I gonna do my edges? How am I gonna do my baby hairs, my / adult hairs, if I don't got my adult hairs out? Now I know some of y'all sitting there like, wow, this probably would look so good with no baby hair. And you know what? If you felt that way, when you get your wig, you can do that. But me, I'm gonna turn it. So I'm doing these adult hairs. And I like twisting them like this. I think it keeps it, you know how I feel about them straight across baby hairs. I don't like them, so I don't do them. And I sprayed a little bit Sebastian Shaper Plus on top. And I'm gonna give them a nice little curl with my bedhead flat iron. A link for this is down below. Don't worry. You like, why ain't this at my local Target? That's fine. You can get it shipped to you. Like, it's okay. I got a link for it. I'm gonna brush down the baby hairs with this comb and just get them laying down where I want them to lay. And I thought they were gonna do it, but they didn't. So I put a little edge control on the base, just a little bit. Not nothing, not no gel, just edge control. so I could get them a little bit flat and just lay down the way I wanted them to lay down. And they were starting to look sexy, so I was liking it. I got my little curly cues going. I moved a little bit of the hairs to the edge so you couldn't really see it as much. And I was feeling it. I was feeling it. The zigzag part is looking real good. You know I gotta hit him with another Kardashian little flattener. Yeah. And then you know what time it is? I'm still hot combing. Can you believe it? I sprayed a little of that Sebastian Shaper Plus. I thought I edited that in, but I guess I didn't. I sprayed it on the root of it and just hot combed it back. And if you know your head not a little burnt after you finish the wig, like, did you even put on a wig, you know? See, I did it on this side. You saw that. Hot combing it back. Just make it look as, you know, I'm just real particular about how my wigs look. I like them to look a certain way. And here's me flexing on y'all that it's not no gel on there. And just making sure that it can be glueless and I can flex on y'all later on and move my wig back and forth. A little bit concealer on the part because I don't got no wig cap on. And, you know, my forehead not that small. So, there we go. And, you know, I'm still touching it up. Rub that concealer out a little bit. It was a little too much. Buff it out. And then that's what the parting space looking like. I don't know what's up with this hump in the back, but I definitely did spray it with a little. I'm trying to get it now, but I had to spray it with a little bit of Sebastian Shaper Plus and put a little clip to the back, and that did it right there. So yeah, the hair is looking phenomenal. I'm loving the hair. The hair was great. I always tell my wigs, I'm keeping this one. Y'all can't get it. I'm sorry. I don't have no throw on wig. I give y'all all my wigs. Please let me keep this one, please. I put on some makeup. Oh, I had makeup on. I don't know why I said that. I've been natural this whole time. I've had no makeup on my face this whole time, but suddenly now, because I have a lip on, now I have a full face on, and I'm just going to give it a nice little flat iron with my Baby Liz titanium plates, 1.5 inch flat iron as well. There's a link for this in the description box. I look really good, don't I? Yeah, the face is sitting. It is. And the hair is sitting. The part is sitting. It's giving like I've been growing this hair all my life, honestly, and I was waiting for the day to let it down my back and show you guys like how beautiful and long and lustrous my hair is. So let's get back to talking JaLeah. Thank y'all for listening to me, and I'll see you on my next one.
So here is the final look, and the hair is herring. Absolutely. I love a closure wig. Like, if you just rocking the middle part, you don't need all the lace on the sides. And this 5x5 closure gonna do the job. Absolutely. I don't know what this little bump is back here, but we're gonna just act like it's not happening. You know, nobody can beat my ass about it. And that's the way to measure if things are important or not. You know, somebody gonna beat my ass about it? Yes, no, no. All right. So with that lovely advice being said, if you want to check out any of the products I use in this video, it'll all be linked down below, along with the hair. That'll be linked down below. And yeah, I gotta go flip my hair somewhere in front of somebody in somebody's face. That's what I gotta go do. So I'm gonna head on out of here. I'm gonna fuck with you. I'll see you in my next video. I do plan on doing a full frontal plucking video next. That's coming. Don't worry. I got you. And also like how I bleach. I didn't include the bleach in this process, but it will be included in my frontal one. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm done talking y'all's ear off. Let me pull my hair to the front so I can say goodbye. Bye, beautiful.